finally time to bring the bindi birds back out. This one has a great little bindi with beautiful abalone. Those were really expensive when I bought those. They're kind of going with our ocean theme. She has 3 little stones. I call this one stoned bindi. And 3 little stones. Well, actually 2 of them are real stones, and one of them is a little handmade clay stone that I did, the black one. But they're natural colored stones and they match her perfectly. I'm trying to get her back in focus here. And I'm taking a bunch of pictures, so she'll be up on the website today. Is that cute or what? The movement's wonderful. I love the way the little tail moves independently. People get a lot of comments on them that have bought these. And they're all one of a kind fused glass.